Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Sit down please. Sit down please. How are you? How are you? Share with your friend. Share with your friend. It's snack time. It's snack time. Take a nap. Take a nap. Be careful. Be careful. Time for bed. Time for bed. What's your name? What's your name? I need help. I need help. Take a bite. Take a bite. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Drink some water. Drink some water. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Complete your homework. Complete your homework. Clean your room. Clean your room. Finish your food. Finish your food. Pick up your toys. Pick up your toys. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't hit. Don't hit. Wait here. Wait here. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Don't forget your backpack. Don't forget your backpack. Look both ways. Look both ways. Don't climb on that. Don't climb on that. Time for school. Time for school. Say good night. Say good night. Clean your face. Clean your face. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Stand up please. Stand up please. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Come here. Come here. My hand. Hold my hand. Clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. I am sorry. I am sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Take you medicine. Take you medicine. Do you need more blankets? Do you need more blankets? Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. Don't insist. Don't insist. Don't run inside. Don't run inside. Stop crying. Stop crying. Don't yell. Don't yell. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Welcome to the house, my dear. Welcome to the house, my dear. Say excuse me. Say excuse me. Put your coat on. Put your coat on. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Put away your clothes. Put away your clothes. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Put on your hat. Put on your hat. Let's go home. Let's go home. Use your fork and spoon. Use your fork and spoon. Stay in line. Stay in line. Don't scribble on the walls. Don't scribble on the walls. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Hold your pencil correctly. Hold your pencil correctly. Don't spill your juice. Don't spill your juice. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Wear your helmet. Wear your helmet. Say good morning. Say good morning. Don't touch the iron. Don't touch the iron. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Don't step in the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't pull your sister's hair. Don't pull your sister's hair.